Hey guys, so today I'm at a off-grid cabin in the mountains of Vermont. This is a cabin that my previous company had installed the off-grid system here, and I'm just doing some service work. I was upgrading the inverter. We've already upgraded the batteries to simplifies, and so yeah, just replacing the inverter today, reprogramming. But yeah, beautiful spot we got here, so enjoy. So these panels, I think they're about 12 years old, and maybe 10 years old. I'm not quite sure. I think they're about 200 watt panels. Everything's been working well. We've talked about getting a little bit more PV in the future, but for right now, he's very happy with the system. Charging the battery. Alright, so this is a pretty typical, it's a 3.5 kW inverter, and this is one of those systems that comes all set on a board. It's got an FM80 charge controller. It's 24 volt. So we got the newer Mate 3S here, and then an auto transformer. That's if he wants 240 volts. So down here we have the 3 Simplify 24 volt batteries. They're 3.8 kilowatt hours a piece. I installed these last year, and so I just have them tied together on those bus bars, and then the output goes in there. So he did have 8 AGM batteries in here, but they froze a couple of times and they were pretty dead. So I think you got about 8 years out of them. So there we go. We're just charging the battery right now. So yeah, just replacing the inverter, and that's it. So with the older inverter, there was nothing wrong with it, but the voltage settings, you couldn't adjust the low battery cutout. You couldn't adjust the low battery cutout to above 24 volts, and the Simplify batteries require a higher low battery cutout, otherwise they will shut off and then you're up a creek. So